guys, welcome to Fuck Camper. This is Jonathan, and this is Prince Ash. We're at Torrance Barrens again. I plan to come camping, but I don't think I'm staying overnight today. For several reasons. First, I don't feel so good. I got sick yesterday, and right now I'm kind of feeling feverish. And the wind is actually pretty strong here tonight, and today actually. So I don't know if I'm staying here tonight. Other reason is because the lake is so frozen and I didn't bring water. Coming up, I thought the lake would be flowing by now, but it's still solid frozen. So I don't have any water access. There's one small creek about like 2-minute walk from here that I can get water from, but I'm not gonna walk 2 minutes to get water back and forth, you know, every time I want water. So I think I'm just gonna, for today, I'm just gonna do a light trail hike, which I did already, and I'm gonna set up some campfire and cook my steak on coal and some potatoes, and you know, with butter and all that stuff. So instead of a camping trip today, I'm just gonna do some chill, I guess, you know, nature cooking, eating style, you know? Alright, anyway, time to get some firewood and get some fire going. The fire is setting up. Time to get our dinner ready. Got our steak in here. Raw sausages too. Was supposed to be for camping, but I mean for breakfast tomorrow. But that's not happening. Right now I'm gonna prep for my potato. Where's the other one? And the red potato. Okay, the combination of potatoes. This is garlic, obviously. I'm gonna chop it up, put it all in there. Okay, I don't think I'll cut all of this. That's a lot. That would be really garlicky, wouldn't it? Salt and pepper. There you go. Alright. I'm gonna put this bad boy, I guess, right here. Yep, that was pretty good. You guys see that? Yeah, alright. I'm gonna start my steak, I guess, in 15 minutes after I flip that over. Then I think the timing wise will be good. As you guys can see, now I have a good base of coal, and the potato has been there for like, I don't know, 20 something minutes, 25 minutes. So I'm gonna get my stick going and I'm gonna place it right in there. Salt and pepper in there. Now when you cook on coal, you can put a little extra salt, because when you put it on there, they fall off, right? You guys ready? You can see the sides still getting cooked. Oh. Okay, so as you can see, like the coal on it is actually not that bad, right? This guy, and that's it. Alright guys, time to take it out. Here we go. Last bit of my potato. Let's toss it in there as well to make sure it just heats up a little bit before I eat it. What do you guys think? Let's see. Cut right in the middle. Come on, stay here. Well, that's not bad at all, eh? Right in the middle is still a little raw, but on the side of it, let me just show you guys. Look at that. That's not bad, eh? Not too bad at all. Mmm. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at this piece of beauty. You want it? You want it? Here you go. Ah, take a bite. Mmm. Oh. Oh. So good. Oh, so good. Oh. Oh. You see this? What? Oh, it smells so good. The garlic. The potatoes are good now. Yeah. Oh. Alright. Well, that's about it. I'm just gonna keep eating. I don't think you guys like to watch me eat. I don't know, let me know if you like to watch me eat. I'll have a lot more eating footage for you. After this, I'm just gonna kill the fire and then head back home. So, oh jeez, I'm almost done. Where's the princess? Thank you guys for watching, and I believe next weekend I'm going somewhere with my friend Jeff. If he's back by then, I think he's back by then, and I think he wants to go somewhere. So next week we'll for sure have a camping video for you. All right, cheers. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.